These two pictures are just 14 days apart. Same t-shirt, same leggings, same gym. But so one photo taking on 26th February 2026, another photo 9th March 2026. So before discussing the four principles that I followed in getting rid of the fat from the midsection and legs, let me tell you something very interesting. I want to tell you that stop chasing fitness trend. Understand the science once and it becomes easy for life, because when you really understand things or understand science behind it, execution becomes simple. When you have to follow those videos which says this is what I ate to lose 20 kilos of weight, because fat loss isn't a copy paste. Everyone's physiology, genetics, lifestyle and body response are different. That's why understanding the science behind nutrition and training matters more than copying someone's plate. Fitness shouldn't make you dependent on influencers. It should make you independent in understanding your own body. Fat loss becomes complicated when you try to follow every noisy trend on Instagram, like what I eat in a day, detox diet, OMAD diet, keto diet, jeera water, lemon water, apple cider vinegar, and whatnot. Four simple hacks I use, which are purely science-based facts, and I regularly preach in YouTube channel in short sections and also in my video section. So I'm someone who doesn't preach, also practices in my real life. See, first trick is that I shifted from 5 days of workout to 4 days. Now you'll say, why 4 days? Because when I do less training, but I can do better quality training and with better intensity. So less stress on my body lowers the cortisol. This allows my central nervous system better recovery. So it lowered my cortisol, which finally allowed my midsection fat to drop. Less stress, lower cortisol, less belly fat. Simple science. Second, I created a sustainable deficit of only 200 to 250 calories per day. Nothing drastic. Nothing drastic. I didn't totally cut down on my carbohydrates. I didn't totally cut down on my food. Because a small deficit prevents our body from going into starvation mode. It keeps the metabolism high and prevents muscle loss from our body. Third, I focus is heavy compound lifts instead of too many isolation workouts. I focused on heavy compound movements like deadlifts, squats, and hip thrust. Compound movements, because compound movements trigger a massive hormonal response like growth hormone and testosterone, which are the key to leaning out your lower body, especially women. Last trick is that post lift walking. I recently discussed a video in my YouTube section, short section, where I discussed fat burning zone, where I discussed the benefits of walking after lifting. Because after lifting, our fat cells are mobilized and released in the bloodstream. Walking right after strength training burns the released fat before it can be restored. So simply applying these four science-based facts, I release some stubborn fat from my midsection as well as leg, because women tend to put on fat faster on legs than men. Nothing fancy, nothing trending. Simple four science-based facts.